In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. My dear students, Assalamu alaikum. PST में मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट MCQs अकॉर्डिंग टू रिड्यूस सिलेबस आप लोगों के लिए बना रहा हूँ, ठीक है। तो इंतहाई अहम MCQs हो सकते हैं आपके पेपर के लिए। तो स्टार्ट करेंगे टाइम ज़ाया किए बगैर। द वर्ड आइडियालॉजी बिलोंग्स टू दिस लैंग्वेज फ्रेंच। The first Islamic society was established by Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam at Medina. The biggest source of Islamic ideology is Holy Quran. This is the first principle of Islamic democracy. Islamic democracy. Justice. Democracy is a word of this language. Greek. Ideology of Pakistan is based upon Islam. Fraternity means brotherhood. He is called as father of the ideology of Pakistan. Allama Iqbal. Islam was born in the year 1876. Allama Muhammad Iqbal delivered his presidential address in 1938, Allahabad. Allama Iqbal was born at Sialkot in the year 1877. The Pakistan Resolution was passed on 23rd March 1948, Lahore. The people of Pakistan stood like a rock against enemy in the war of 1965. The first Governor General of Pakistan was Qaid-e-Azam. Allama Iqbal died in the year 1938. Qaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah died in Karachi in the year 1948. Shah Waliullah was born in 1707. The real name of Shah Waliullah was Qutbuddin. Shah Waliullah died in the year 1762. Pakistan became the member of UNO in the year 1947. The first capital of Pakistan was Karachi. First Prime Minister of Pakistan was Liaquat Ali Khan. Pakistan was established on this date of Ramadan 27th. The first annual session of Muslim League was held in December 1907 at Karachi. Of Sayyid Ahmad Shahid Brailwi is known as Tehreek-e-Mujahideen. Two-nation theory was presented by Sir Syed Ahmad Khan. Khilafat movement was started by Maulana Muhammad Ali Johar. All India Muslim League was established in the year 1906. The name of Pakistan was proposed by Chaudhry Rahmat Ali. Qaid-e-Azam joined All India Muslim League in the AD 1913. Sindh was made a separate province in the year 1935. The present president of Pakistan is Asif Ali Zardari. The president governor of Sindh province is Kamran Tisori. The existing chief minister of Sindh is Murad Ali Shah. The Pakistan resolution was first seconded by Khaliq Zaman. The old name of Khyber Pakhtunkhwa was NWFP. The War of Independence was started in the year 1857. In the Constitution of Pakistan 1973, it was declared as national language Urdu. Pakistan recognized Bangladesh in the year 1974. The main dispute between Pakistan and India is Kashmir. The second Islamic Summit Conference was held in 1974 at Lahore. Objective resolution was passed and approved in the year 1949. The first Constitution of Pakistan was enforced in the year 1956. He dismissed the first Constituent Assembly of Pakistan, Ghulam Muhammad. The first President of Pakistan was Iskandar Mirza. The Constitution of 1962 was abrogated by General Yahya Khan. The first general election of Pakistan were held in the year AD 1970. India attacked East Pakistan in the year 1971. East Pakistan separated from West Pakistan in the year 1971. The name of Pakistan is Islamic Republic of Pakistan. The total area of Pakistan in square kilometer is 7,96,096 square kilometer. Sindh province is separate our in square kilometer. Log 40,914. Pakistan is situated in this side of Asia, southern. This country is in the east of Pakistan, India. The highest peak of Karakoram range is when Eastern K2. It is situated in the south of Pakistan, Arabian Sea. Durand Line is the boundary between Pakistan and Afghanistan. Among the atomic nations of the world, Pakistan ranks 7th. The highest peak of Hindu Kush range is Tariq Mir. Gwadar Port is situated in this province, Balochistan. The highest mountain of Pakistan is Godwin Eastern K2. Pakistan is divided into these climatic regions. 4. This pass is called the Gateway of South Asia, Khyber. The length of the coastal area of Pakistan is about 1050 kilometer. According to area, the biggest province of Pakistan is Balochistan. The most important seaport of Pakistan is Karachi. The average length of Karakoram range is 7,000 meters. In the northwest of Pakistan, our neighboring country is Afghanistan. Natural wealth buried under the earth is called minerals. The largest canal system of irrigation in the world is in Pakistan. The Indus Basin Treaty was signed in the year 1960. The Mangala Dam has been built on the river Jhelum. The largest deposit of chromite in the world are found in Pakistan. The biggest salt mine in Pakistan located Kyoda, Punjab. The second most important cereal of Pakistan is rice. In Pakistan, majority of people is associated with agriculture. The biggest agriculture university of Pakistan is in Faisalabad. In Pakistan, only this land is under forest, 4.8%. Natural gas was first discovered at Sui, Balochistan in the year 1952. The biggest coal mine of Pakistan is at Arwal. In Pakistan, the largest iron deposit has been discovered at Kalabagh. It is called the silver fiber of Pakistan, cotton. This occupies an important place in our economy. Agriculture. The biggest dam of Pakistan, Tarbela Dam, has been constructed on river Indus. The Chashma power plant was established with the help of this country, China. Pakistan's first nuclear power plant was started working in 1971. This is the backbone of Pakistani's economy. Textile industry. Pakistan's steel mill was established with the cooperation of this country, Russia. The total length of the Share Pakistan is about 1,735 kilometer. 1,735 kilometer. In Pakistan, the number of industrial labor employed in cotton industry is about 50%. The second largest profession of Pakistan is industry. Economic development leads a country towards prosperity. Carpet industry in Pakistan is a cottage industry. The main center of sport goods manufacturing in Pakistan is Sialkot. Pakistan International Airlines (PIA) was established in the year 1955. Highway is the oldest and most important highway of Pakistan. National. The main cotton textile center of Pakistan is Karachi. Karakoram Highway joins Pakistan with China. Raw material used in the manufacturing of cement is limestone. The total airports in Pakistan are 44. The first population census of South Asia took place in 1872. After the establishment of Pakistan, the first census took place in 1951. According to 1998 census, Pakistan's population is 132,352,279. According to 1998 census, the most populated Pakistan is Punjab. Largest populated province of Pakistan is Balochistan. Population-wise, the biggest city of Pakistan is Karachi. The urban population of Pakistan is 32.5%. According to 1998 census, the population of Karachi is approximately 10 millions. Among the most popular countries of the world, Pakistan ranks 5th. Population census is generally held after these years, after 10 years. According to 1998 census, the literacy rate of Pakistan was 45%. The literal meaning of culture is something to cultivate. One of the oldest languages of South Asia is Sindhi. The common language of understanding in Pakistan is Urdu. The national poet of Sindh is Shah Abdul Latif. The number of languages spoken in the Pakistan are more than 30. Sindhi Language Authority has been established for the promotion of Sindhi language in the year 1990. Islam was separate in the subcontinent through Sufi saints. Sachal Sarmas was a Sufi poet of the province of Sindh. This province of Pakistan is known as Babul Islam, Sindh. Sultan Baho and Bhule Shah were the famous poets of this language. Punjabi. Urdu language was introduced during period of Mughal. Sindhi language is written in a modified script of Arabic. Rahman Baba and Khushal Khan Khattak were the famous poets of this language. Pashto. First educational conference in Pakistan was held in the year 1947. Education provided in 9-10 is called secondary. The last education policy was given in 1998. Compulsory Primary Education Act was enforced in 2004 to 2005. In Sindh, this organization is responsible for the preparation and development of textbooks. Sindh Textbook Board, Jamshoro. The national budget for education will be increased from 2.2% to 4%. The curriculum development above higher secondary is the responsibility of Higher Education Commission. The ruler is called Caliph. Khilafat Rashida remained for nearly these years. 29. The main goal of the government of Pakistan is the formation of an Islamic society. Freedom of expression is accepted. Democracy. It is the prime duty of a citizen to respect for the law. Democratic government means rule of people. In a democratic government, people enjoy a lot of freedom. Democracy, there is a freedom of expression. The Human Rights Day across the world is celebrated on 10 December. The development of idea of human right was started in 18th century. UDHR stands for United Nations Declaration for Human Rights. UDHR was adopted by the United Nations General Assembly. This document is considered as milestone in the history of human rights. UDHR of UN Human Rights Declaration states about right to education. 26. The Human Rights Council is based in Geneva. Ombudsman has been serving the people of Pakistan 3 decades. The final authority for the interpretation of the United Nations Charter is General Assembly. This is generally referred as the Poor Man's Code. Institution of Ombudsman. The Human Rights Council is of General Assembly of UN. General Assembly of UN. अच्छा, यहाँ तक आप लोगों के लिए 150 के करीब MCQs ये बहुत है। आप लोगों के लिए इसकी तैयारी करें, इंशाल्लाह आप लोगों का जो MCQs पोर्शन है वो बहुत बेहतर जाएगा। अपना ख्याल रखिएगा। अल्लाह हाफ़िज़।